Here's how my mind works. Here's me. Here's a simple idea for a game. Now, let's add to it. A lot. Because of this, I want to practice keeping things simple. I think the idea is simple enough. The player is going to move a square around the screen while avoiding the rotating walls. The game needs to be beaten in 10 seconds though, so there will be a 10-second timer to count down. Simple, easy, impossible to overscope. But what if there were more levels? Alright, starting off with the most basic essentials that we need for the game, let's see if there are any glaring issues that we need to address with the idea early on. Yeah, I got one. I'm going to be sick staring at this thing. I also know that I want this center part blocked off during the game so you can't just sit in the middle. But what I'm also realizing is that most of these blades are going to be really pointless during gameplay, since the player is just going to be trapped between two of them. Okay, I'm starting to like this. By creating a match statement, I'm able to control the speed and direction of the blades depending on the current level. For the first level, I'll keep the speed pretty manageable and consistent. For the second wave, I'll have it slowly increasing. For waves 3 through 6, I have a short timer that's always ticking, and every time it reaches 0, a number is randomly generated from 1 through 5. Depending on the wave, that number will decide if the blades keep spinning, pause, change speed, or even change direction. Now, with everything working together, I think it's a fun and challenging little game. I feel like this was a really great exercise for me, and it helps me to remind myself that not everything that I work on has to be this long process where I add everything that I can think of into the game. By doing more, smaller games like this, I'm getting more rapid-fire bits of experience because each small game is a completely new project with different challenges. I want to remember to make more tiny games like this because I feel like it really does help me to become a better developer. At the very least, it helps me continue to exercise the creative part of my brain. Keep learning.